Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Italian actress. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced celebrity names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? For reference, in Italy, this is said as Debora, with an emphasis on the first syllable, on the de syllable. Debora Caprioglio, Caprioglio, with an emphasis on the first O. So, Debora Caprioglio. And so it'd be fine in English if you cannot roll the R like the Italians do, to say it as Debora Caprioglio. Debora Caprioglio. From Italian, Debora Caprioglio. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting Italian names and names of famous actors and actresses whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.